Hi, I'm Lillian and I'm from the Mississauga Library, and today I'm going to show you how to weave. Weaving is using different pieces of string to make a fabric. Here I've made a coaster. Let's get started. You will need a piece of cardboard, scissors, a ruler, string or yarn, and a pen. So with your piece of cardboard, you're going to use your ruler and mark out evenly spaced dots across the top and bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to use your scissors to make cuts across the top and bottom. So your piece of cardboard will now look like this, where there's cuts on the top and bottom. Once you have made cuts along the top and bottom, you're going to need to string your cardboard. Before you do that, you'll need to choose some string or yarn that you want to use and cut the same number of pieces of yarn as you have cuts across the top. Once you have that done, you will take your string and thread it through and across to the bottom. You'll continue in this manner until all of the slits have yarn across them and your cardboard now looks like this. Once your cardboard looks like this, you'll need to select another color yarn or string, whatever you have at home, and cut it into lengths longer than the piece of cardboard itself. Once you have enough, or enough to start, you'll take your string. I'm going to use 2 pieces of string here, and you'll start your weaving process. So to weave, you'll start by going under, over the next one, under the third one, under, over, repeating the process until you are across, and you'll pull it up to the top tight. With the next string, you'll do the reverse. We started by going under here, so we'll start by going over this one and under the next one until we are all the way across. Pull the string up tight to the one before it, and there you go. Continue in this fashion, under, over, until your piece now looks like this. Once you have woven as much as you want for your project, you'll comb out the edges on the side. You'll take 1 under and 1 over string and tie it in a double knot on the side and pull. And then you'll do the same thing and continue all the way down. And then you'll do the same thing on this side. Once you're done on this side, you'll want to do the same thing up top here, but up top here, you'll pull out the string, tie a double knot, and then taking one of the strings, you'll tie it to the next one and continue across until you have your finished project. Thank you for joining us today, and have a great day.